Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Arvind Eligar and I am from Dandeli. So I joined Jspiders on 5th September and I got placed in 26th of November. So I was regularly doing my presentations and all, and Shankar sir helped me in both programming and theoretical parts, and I understand more because I am from CS background as well as, and I understand more things here. So the most useful part was it was from 7:30 to 10:30. That was parallel running between theoretical and plus programming. So that was more useful for me. So that helped me with placing. I placed in Trident, so which was up to package was 4 lakh per annum. So there was 2 technical rounds and 1 HR round and 1 managing node. So in both technical rounds, though you are not perfect in Node.js and Angular, you are to perfect with your what you have learned in Jspiders, that is Java and programming language. So they asked more about logical thinking and logical programming. So I just gave some logical statements. They gave some test cases and so I solved some of them, and some I got errors. So that's all. Thank you.